This is a full casino tour of the Sapphire Princess, including every slot, every table game, and the updated points that you actually need for the See You Soon offers. Alright, let's get started on this full walkthrough. Over here is where you're going to find the concierge desk, and then let's get going on the slot machines. We're going to take you everywhere around here, including the 5-cent room and what used to be the high rollers room. And at the end, we'll show you the updated casino screens, including how many points it takes to get your things like drinks, but we're also going to add in what the new See You Soon point schedule is. So if you're trying to decide whether it's worth playing on this ship, we'll give you the full picture. She may look a little threatening, but I actually had pretty good luck on this machine. And here's Kathy's favorite, Kismet Cat. She likes them both. Here's another machine we spent a lot of time at, the Fire Link. I actually enjoyed it. If you enjoy poker, here's your card machines for the poker. Alright, this casino is U-shaped, so we're going to hurry back over to the front of the casino and start heading the other direction. Hey, one of the things to mention about here on the Drink While You Play program is that they actually don't have a bar located here in the casino. So they do have wait staff, and you'll order your drink and then they'll come back with your drinks. Now, later we'll show you a couple of 2-cent machines that are actually really nice to sit at and wait while you're waiting for your drink. Next, we're heading over to the 5-cent room. This used to be a baccarat room. Now all the machines in here are 5 cent. Now, the other thing of interest is that when we look at these machines, they're only located in this room. So here you're going to find your Mo Money machine, actually Mo Mummy, Mo Mummy, so 2 of them. This is also the only place you'll find the rockets and money balls. And again, they're 5-cent machines, so if you're not a high roller, and trust me, we're not, it can add up pretty quick. We were actually surprised at how many of the popular machines on other Princess ships just were not on this ship or were very limited. All right, let's exit the 5-cent room. I found these machines pretty intriguing, but to be quite honest, I didn't have any luck with them. These machines allowed you to play craps, roulette, blackjack, a few other things. If you're a Monty Python fan, here you go, the Holy Grail. And over here, we've got some more poker machines. Now these next machines, you can really get a good minimum bet while you're waiting for your drink right here. Now they're not going to pay off with the minimum bet, I'll tell you that, but it was good to sit and wait for our drinks and save some money. Alright, let's head over to the center of the casino. Now, this room used to be the high rollers room, and actually now it's just more slot machines. On ships like the Emerald, this is actually where the bar is located. But again, there is no bar on this casino. We were surprised to find out these were the only two Huff and Puff machines on the ship. Now you're going to recognize these next machines because they were also located in the 5-cent room. Here, you don't have to bet 5 cents. You can bump it down to 1 cent. Now let's take a look at table games, bingo, scratcher, and the See You Soon awards. Now we're just going to go through and show you what the signs look like as far as betting and what the games are. I'll be honest with you, I don't play a lot of table games, so this is an area I wasn't too familiar with. That's why we wanted to show you with the big placards as to what each game was. If you're interested in the bingo, here you go. And of course I have Deal No Deal. And of course, they do have the Paradise Lotto. In case you're missing your lottery tickets from back home, you can purchase some here. And if you've got that urge to scratch a scratcher, well, yep, they sell those here too. Here's the current See You Soon offers. Now, this is for a Princess cruise, 11 to 16 days. Gives you the point totals over here, the stateroom that you're playing for, and your free play that you receive. And for drinks on us, still 1,500 points. Hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed this time of checking out the casino. For more info about the Sapphire Princess, check out our playlist. Hey guys, thanks for traveling with us. If you want to keep exploring with us, click one of the videos on your screen. And remember, don't wait for someday. Travel bigger now.